magic of feathers. I'm just wondering if there's a collection of feathers in there or it's just photographs. But I love feathers. That was a beautiful book of feathers, which I discovered at a place called Gilfach in the lower Marteg Valley. If you remember the other month, I walked the river Marteg from the source to the confluence of the Wye. Well, on the way I had the opportunity of visiting Gilfach, a medieval stone-built farm. I didn't have time, it was late in the day, so I headed for camp instead. The following morning I doubled back and paid Gilfach a visit. When I entered, I was greeted by a beautiful stone floor, and there on the table was this book of feathers, and I started browsing it, and I was just amazed by the collection inside, which was collected from around the nature reserve, which I think is owned by the Radnorshire Wildlife Trust. The place was renovated by them. If you check out the video link above, you'll see a fantastic video featuring the renovation of the place. It's really fascinating. I recommend it to you. Anyhow, I was filming and I decided that it would be good to share with you, it being so fascinating. I won't tell you what birds are in the collection, I'll leave that up to you to watch the video, but suffice to say, it's a true wonder. So without further ado, here's the book of feathers. Medieval crook framed farm here at Gilfach on the eastern fringe of the Cambrian Mountains. Wow, the life that used to be lived in here. This is old. The walls are thick. That's probably what's left of the crook frame. Renewed now, obviously. Yeah, you can make tea and whatnot here. Somebody told me that. And make a contribution. So this is the only part of it you can enter. There's the outside here, but that's not accessible. It's beautiful though. Look at the old stonework. This is where medieval traditional farming used to take place. I just saw something exciting, something that excites me. And that is the magic of feathers. There's a little book here, look. The magic of feathers. I'm just wondering if there's a collection of feathers in there or it's just photographs. But I love feathers. Let's have a look. Ah, they got real feathers in here. Wow. There's a picture of an owl. These are tawny owl feathers. Wow. There's much light at all. There's not a lot of light in here. These are tawny owl feathers. Wow. What else is in here? Common buzzard. Common buzzard, look. This is a celebration of things that happen around here, eh? Oh, and there's a photograph to accompany each. Yeah, common buzzard. A bit like vultures really, aren't they, buzzards? Jackdaw. Jackdaw. Okay, I'm back. A woodcock. Wow, they're beautiful feathers. I mean, it doesn't do it justice really in here because there's not much light. Tell you what I'll do. I'll just take it out here briefly and I'll put it back. Oh yeah, it's better right here. I'm just going to sit down there. That's it. Is that much better? Blackbird. Hey, we all love blackbirds. Beautiful song. Great spotted woodpecker. One of these woke me up the other morning, pecking on my bedroom window ledge. I wondered what the pecking was, and it was a great spotted woodpecker. Magpie. Yeah, we know magpies. Difficult nests to get to. I mean, we used to egg collect years ago. I don't encourage it now at all, but that's what we used to do. Pheasant, I love the pheasant. I love pheasants' feathers. They're very exotic. In actual fact, they're from Asia. Pheasants are from Asia. They're not native to this country, but they're certainly beautiful. Radiant colours. Goldfinch. Wow, how on earth does anybody find a goldfinch feather? Wonderful. I'm just wondering if there's a kingfisher feather in here. If there was a kingfisher feather in here, I'd be blown away. That's a raven. Red kite. Yeah, there was going to be a red kite in here, wasn't there? They're all over now. Wow, what a beautiful feather. Very large. Wood pigeon. Well, I sometimes do a better impression than that. And what have we got here? Oh, that's a thrush. That's a thrush. Beautiful. And those wonderful feathers. And that was a tawny owl. A wonderful collection. Yeah, that was really nice. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I really enjoyed that feather collection. Yeah, my wood pigeon impression. I sometimes get it absolutely pitch perfect. Gotta get the chamber right inside. But yeah, that's my wood pigeon impression. Alright. That's me done here at Gilfach. Hope you enjoyed that one. That was really good. If you want to comment on this feather collection in Gilfach, please do. get back to you, talk about feathers, right? If you want to give it a thumbs up, the feathers and Gilfach, the old farm, feel free. If you want to subscribe, don't forget to hit the button below. I always look forward to hearing from you. Alright, that's me from Gilfach in the lower Marteg Valley. Yeah, the upper Marteg Valley is the source. We're in the lower Marteg Valley. Absolutely wonderful. Recommended. For a day out, walks, just to relax. Okay, until next time. Take care. See you now.